Kyrgyzstan is in the process of implementing one of the biggest mega projects in its tourism sector. Considering the length of the cable cars, ski trails and number of hotels, Ала-Тоо Resort is set to become the largest ski cluster in Central Asia. According to the project, the peaks of Jurghalang, Akbulak and Bozuchuk will be connected by cable cars, along with the development of ski trails. The total length of these trails will reach 250 kilometers. The first stage of this massive mountain resort is the creation of a tourist village in Jurghalang, and land plots for this have been put up for auction. Local and international investors can purchase land plots to build 3-, 4- and 5-star hotels, VIP cottages, Etna townhouses, restaurants, cafes, spa complexes, and other tourist service facilities. The plots range in size from 216 to 15,660 square meters, totaling 6.5 hectares. Starting prices vary from 3,067,200 to 336,960,000 Kyrgyz soms, depending on the size. To participate in the auction, a 10% security deposit of the starting price must be paid after purchasing and registering the land. Investors are required to complete construction within 2 years. All land documents are in order. Foreign nationals can lease the plots for up to 49 years. While investors are being offered land for building commercial facilities, the government will provide the necessary infrastructure. This includes the construction of cable cars, ski trails, roads, electricity, and access to clean water. More detailed auction information can be obtained through the following phone numbers. Once construction is completed in Jurghalang, the next phase of the project will begin in Akbulak and Bozuchuk. Designed to operate year-round, Ala-Too Resort will create 4,600 permanent jobs and is projected to serve around 2 million tourists annually.